Hey guys, welcome to TecQuipped. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through the product team structure. Now, this product team structure is ideal for smaller product teams, and a lot of these startups, tech startups today, follow a structure similar to this one. So let's get started. All right, so this is how a typical product team looks like, right? So I'm going to start with the CEO, who is the head of the entire company. Now this CEO has three major CXOs reporting into him, right? So there's the CTO who takes care of the tech side of things. There is a CPO who takes care of the product side of things. And then there is a CBO who takes care of the business side of things. So we'll start from the CTO. Now this CTO has a bunch of people working directly with, there is a QA head who is quality assessment head, takes care of the kind of deployments that go out. There's a head of engineering who directly work with him, who takes care of the software development side of things. And then there is a head of machine learning and data science. Now, each of these guys have a bunch of people reporting into him, right? So a head of engineering might manage multiple product lines along with the head of product. This guy will have maybe 2 or 3 engineering managers reporting into him. And this engineering managers will have a bunch of SDEs reporting into him, and these SDEs might then have like graduate SDEs reporting into them. But this is how broadly the structure of an engineering team would look like. Obviously, there will be more permutation combinations. If there are more than one engineering manager, they'll have their standalone independent product team. Then there is a QA 1, 2, 3, ML researchers 1, 2, 3, depending on the amount of product lines the company has. Now, all of these guys work simultaneously with the product team itself. Product team is headed by the CPO, who then has a head of UX, which is user experience, a head of product. CPO might have multiple product lines, right? So head of product line 1, head of product line 2, head of product line 3, etc., etc. And then there is a head of customer success, which is more from the user experience perspective. Now, each of these guys will have, again, sub-segmentation. A head of product use, right? So a head of product will have multiple senior product managers depending on the modules that a product has. So if you take an example of product line A, this product line A might have, say, a different sub product line, say for example food delivery service and hyperlocal delivery service. Senior product manager will be sub-segmented into each of these, and then this senior product manager will sub-segment product into product strategy and growth. Usually this is a common team across a team per se. There are multiple product managers who then handle different product modules. For example, some product manager may be looking after data side of things, some product managers may be looking at, say, UX side of things, etc. Then there is UX researcher 1, 2, 3 who directly works with the head of UX, and customer success has customer success and support team. Again, there could be an associate product manager who may be working with 1 or more product managers per se. Finally, we talk about the business side of things. The CBO, or the chief business officer, has a sales head or more than one sales head reporting into him, depending on the amount of product lines that exist. Each of these sales head will have different people working across different regions, right? So region 1, 2, 3, and then each of these regional sales managers will have BDRs working with them, which is business development representatives. There will be more than one BDRs working with each of these guys. But this is broadly the structure of a product team for maybe a SaaS product or a tech product in general, where there are 3 major pillars, and then these pillars are sub-segmented depending on the amount of products and product lines each of these team has. This may change depending on the type of company you're working for and the type of role that you're involved in. But broadly, the structure remains the same. So I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.